guys, I am Kuldeep Chaudhary and I am welcomes you to CATDesk online video support. So today we are going to learn about how to revolve an object in a 3D solid in AutoCAD. So before starting the command, let me tell you about revolve. So what is a revolve? Revolving is basically used for creating a 3D solid or surface by sweeping an object around an axis. So let us start revolve command. Change workspace and select 3D modeling to make a 3D object. So I change the workplace setting and make it 3D modeling. Now I am going to change the visual style. So you can change the visual styles from here. There are various number of type of visual styles which AutoCAD provides us, and similarly AutoCAD provides us various type of views like top, bottom, left, right, front, back, southwest isometric, southeast isometric, northwest and northeast isometric views. You can select any one of them as per requirement of your drawing. Now let us first make an object. So type L and then enter for make a line. So guys, I am making an object here. So you need to draw a 2D object and a center line about which you're going to revolve your object. So I am drawing an object by just using the commands which I have described in my earlier videos, like line command, offset command, etc. Excel enter for the construction line. So now I am trimming those objects which I don't require in my final drawing. Offset helps you very much. TR double enter to just erase your unwanted objects which are not the part of your final drawing. I just trim them down. Okay guys, now my final object is almost ready. Now I am going to region it. Region it also a 3D command which is used to convert a 2D object into a 3D. So after making a region, it will become a single selected entity which you can see here. Now I am going to use revolve command. So you just have to type REV and then enter in command box. Then you have to specify the angle of revolution, and first you have to specify the axis about which you want to revolve your 2D object. Then you have to specify the angle. I want to revolve it around 360, so my revolution angle is 360. Now you can see the part is become a 3D solid which was earlier a 2D. wireframe. If you want to make any kind of drawing in a 3D on a 3D solid surface, then please keep always DUCS on your status bar. DUCS, circle, line, and all 2D commands are remain same in 3D modeling also, because the 3D model is nothing. 3D is nothing but an addition dimension to a 2D. 2D plus D is equals to 3D. Now I am going to select a material and then apply to my object. So for applying material to my object, I have to type MAT and then enter, then select the material, then apply on it. So I am applying the material. Now I have applied the material, but it cannot seal. It's not visual because of my visual style setting. So I need to change my visual style into realistic mode to see the material which I have applied on my object. So after changing the visual style into realistic, I can clearly see that applied material on my object. And now I am going to change the material, so you can see the changes here. You can see the changes, different kind of materials I am applying here on my object. Okay, now I am changing the visual style to 2D wireframe, to conceptual, to realistic, and to hidden to realistic. So you can change it wireframe, sketchy, and X-ray. And views, you can see how to change views. How to change views? Just click on it, and then you can also change the views and visual styles by the panel which is shown in the ribbon view panel. Now I am going to use the render command. Render is used to see a or to make a picture or a photographic view of your 3D object. So this is my photographic view which I have get from render. Now I am going to save it. So you can save this. Okay. And right click on the model, then select from the template, select the template. Okay, click on the D side layout, ambient for the viewport, click on the first corner and then second corner. Or now you can change the views of your object, and this is the final layout of your object which you have made in your 3D modeling. Now you can take a printout or a layout in a 2D, which you can further you can take a printout of it. You can change views of each and every one and visual style as per your requirement. I am changing the views and visual style. So I made here a first angle projection, and then now I am going to print and publish setting, control plus P for print setting. Select the name here, DW is into PDF converting, and paper size 297 into 210 mm, and then window selection. Select make a window which you want to see on your printout. Fit to paper and select the place where you want to save your wherever you want to save your PDF, and this is the final PDF which you can see on your paper after printout. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you learn about or get a basic understanding of Revolve Command and layout. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.